Hey guys, welcome back to Nifa's Kitchen. Today I want to show you how to store our greens for fridge, how to blanch, store. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nifa's Kitchen. I'm at my mama's kitchen garden. Nikichuna sukuma na spinach. First thing, you wash your greens. No, unaosha vizuri. Remember zinakuwa na ile mchanga, ziko na mchanga, so you have to wash 2 to 3 times. And if you know the name of these 2 greens, kindly tell me, comment down below. Then after doing that, nakatakata. If there's something I like, ni kukatakata sukuma. Ukinipatia a very sharp knife, I'll katakata for you sukuma. Very nice. I love it. I love how to do it. You cut, then kwa sukuma zangu mimi narudianga. You see unakatanga once, then you rudia. Some people don't, but me I do. Then after hapo you boil some water. Maji yako ikichemka kabisa, ile inatoa bubbles. You add your greens. Unaongeza sukuma zako, unaongeza greens zako ndani. Then remember to blanch, so it's 2 to 3 minutes, and immediately after 2 to 3 minutes unatoa, unapitishia kwa sink. You drain the water, the hot water first, then you add cold water. Unaweka kwa maji baridi until hizo greens, hiyo maji ikue kabisa imepoa. We are doing this to stop the cooking. Greens ziache kuendelea kuiva kwa maji moto. Then from there, that's it. You pack your greens, put them kwa fridge mpaka ile time unapika, zita retain the green color. Bye.